Earth Volumetric Studio, or EVS, was used to visualize high-resolution characterization data from two direct push technologies, a cone penetrometer, or CPT, and TarGOST, which is a high-resolution optical screening tool to characterize DNAPL at a site investigation. This study collected over 30,000 rows of CPT data from 44 borings, over 52,000 rows of TarGOST data from 44 borings, and over 1,200 visual observations from 117 soil borings. We begin with the CPT data posts. We can add depth scales next to each boring and zoom into precise locations of interest. EVS then kriegs the data to generate a solid block, which can then be cut to whatever cross-sections are desired. Zooming in shows how incredibly well the krieged fences honor the raw CPT data. We can isolate individual CPT fences and add depth scales if desired. We now move on to the TarGOST data posts. Values that are yellow are over the 20% threshold, meaning that DNAPL is present. The diameters of the disks increase as the total signal values increase. The lithologic fences are now turned on so that we can simultaneously examine the distribution of DNAPL indicated in TarGOST borings. This may indicate whether DNAPL is trapped in specific lithologic zones. We now move on to the visual observations data posts. These are observations logged by geologists over many years of drilling activities. Now we add back in the TarGOST data for comparison. And finally, the lithologic fences are turned on so that all of the data types are visible at once.